Hello guys, I'm Ignesh. In this video, we'll discuss about the topic Introduction to Carbohydrates from the subject Biology. Introduction to Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for the body. They are essential manufacture that provides our cells and fuel our daily activities. Understanding the roles and functions of carbohydrates is crucial for maintaining a health and balanced diet. First, definition and classifications of carbohydrates. Definition: carbohydrates are organic compound composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are the most abundant biomolecules on the earth, serve as the body's primary energy source. Classification: generally, carbohydrates can be classified into three main groups: monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide, based on their molecular structure and complexity. Common examples of carbohydrates includes glucose, fructose, sucrose, and starch, and dietary fibers. Roles of carbohydrates in the body. First, energy production. Energy production. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy, providing a fuel for cells through the process of cellular respiration. Second, glycogen storage. Excess carbohydrates can be stored in liver and muscles as a glycogen for future energy needs. Structural support. Certain carbohydrates such as cellulose provide structural support and protection in plants and human body. Brain function. The brain releases and glucose and carbohydrates as its main source of energy to support functions and mental process. Absorptions of carbohydrates. Digestion. Carbohydrates began to be broken down in the mouth by the enzyme analyze, and the digestion process continues in the small intestine, where enzymes further break down carbohydrates into monosaccharides. Absorption. Monosaccharides such as glucose and fructose are the absorbed into the bloodstream through our internal valves. This allows our body to utilize energy from carbohydrates. Transport. The absorbed monosaccharides are transported into the liver where they are either used for energy production and stored as a glycogen for the later use. Glycolysis and energy production. Glycolysis is a metabolic pathway that breaks down glucose to produce ATP, the primary energy. Anaerobic respiration. Glucose can also be further broken down through aerobic respiration, a more efficient process that generates a significantly more ATP. Energy production. Energy released during the breakdown of carbohydrates used to power various cellular processes and support overall body function. Glucogenesis and glucose regulation. Glucogenesis. This process involves the synthesis of glucose from non-carbohydrate such as amino acid and lactate to maintain a blood glucose level. The breakdown of stored glycogen in the liver and muscles to release glucose into bloodstream when needed. Third, the blood tightly regulates the glucose level through a coordinate action of hormones like insulin and glucagon. Carbohydrates and blood sugar control. Carbohydrates intake, the amount of type of carbohydrate consumed can impact blood sugar level. Insulin regulation, hormone produced by the pancreas helps regulate the blood sugar level by facilitating the uptake of glucose by cells. Physical activities, regular exercise can improve insulin sensitivity and help maintain healthy blood sugar level. Dietary source of carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, from fruits, apple, bananas, berries, and from vegetable, potato, wheat, and potatoes, peas, corn are the best example for source of carbohydrates. Importance of carbohydrates in balanced diet: energy source, nutrient density, metabolic regulation. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of fuel, providing energy for physical activity, brain function, and overall body process. Nutrient density. Carbohydrate rich foods such as whole grains and fruits are often packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Metabolic regulation. Maintaining the right balance of carbohydrates in the diet can help regulate our blood sugar levels and support overall metabolic health. Conclusion and key takeaways. So, carbohydrate importance, balance intake, regulation, and control. So carbohydrate importance. Carbohydrates are essential macronutrients that play a vital role in providing energy and supporting our body functions. In balanced intake, consuming a balanced diet with a variety of carbohydrates rich food, including whole grains, fruits and vegetables. Regulation and control. Understanding the body's mechanism for regulating our blood sugar and energy protection from carbohydrates can help individual maintain an healthy lifestyle. Thank you.